Hey, it's your Geli Mamma here, and today I'm working with the fabulous Kiki London, and I'm going to be showing you how to create this water marble look, but without any water, with minimal mess. And you're actually going to be using gel polishes, and what I'm showing you here is the multiple ways that you can wear it. You don't have to put it on every single finger if you don't want to, but I do think it's quite eye-catching and stunning when you do. And it's easier than you think to achieve. So let's get into it. So you want to have already applied your primer and your base coat and cured. If you want to know how to do these steps in more detail, I can put my previous video on showing you how all the steps to apply a gel mani. But I've gone ahead and applied 2 coats of Kiki London's white gel polish, which is called Studio White. All links to products will be in the description box below. So I have taken 3 colours from the autumn range, which I showed you in my previous video. And here are the names, and I just think they sort of go so lovely together. You are going to need a dotting tool, or maybe a bobby pin if you haven't got a dotting tool, and a brush as well. So you want to start off, obviously pick the first colour that you want to start off with. I'm starting off with the Wine With Me. And you just want to put a dot in the middle of the nail. And please don't cure until you're completely finished. I will let you know when the time is to cure your mani. So you're going to absolutely love this hack, Geli Babes, because it's so easy to do, and it's going to look stunning, and obviously it's going to last that little bit longer as well because you're using gel polishes as opposed to normal polishes. So all I am doing is taking the colours and, you know, getting it as round as possible, a round line each layer, and basically I'm just putting the same colours in the same order. So like now I will go back to Wine With Me, and we'll just start it all again until the whole nail is completely covered with the polish. So don't you agree that this is so simple? And we haven't even got to the fun part yet. But before I move on, obviously if you're doing this on your own nails, as you're getting round the side walls, you want to be careful that that's not going over onto your skin. So what you're going to want to do before you cure it is obviously get a clean up brush and some nail polish remover, and you know, make sure you clean up all around your skin, because if it overlaps onto your skin, then it's going to lift, which we don't want that. So now this is where you're creating the design effect, and all you're doing is taking the brush and dragging it through the polish, as you can see here. So I've started off like this, and then you want to just go in between these sections here. It is good to wipe your brush as well, just getting rid of the excess, because you don't want it to get to, you know, the colours all being like muddied up together. So once I've kind of done a bit of a section, I'll wipe that clean. You don't want to be dragging the brush really hard into the polish, because all it'll do is separate and you'll see the white base underneath. You will see it in a minute. Can you see it there? Which you don't want. So it's really light touch. And this is just one design that you can create. I can show you other ways that you can create different looks, but using these same techniques if you would like. But how simple was that, Geli Babes? And don't you agree? It's just such a cool look. Then you want to finish off with your top coat. So you want to apply a nice thin layer and cure that under your lamp also. And when it's all cured, if it is a tacky top coat, you want to get some isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free pad and just wipe off that tacky layer, and then your mani is completely done and dry. No waiting around for drying time. And as well, you want to be applying some cuticle oil as well, just to keep your nails really hydrated. So this is the end look, Geli Babes. I hope that you have enjoyed watching it. So make sure you come back next week, where I'm going to be showing you 3 ways that you can remove your gel mani. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you to the Geli Babes that came over from Gelulicious and subscribed and are supporting this channel. If you've not already done so, please press that free subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, and we always love reading your comments, Geli Babes. So until next time, take care. Bye.